Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most influential self-help books of all time, Napoleon Hill's The Law of Success in 16 Lessons. If you're striving to achieve success, whether it's in your career, personal life, or overall mindset, this book offers a complete blueprint for getting there. Hill spent over 20 years researching the habits of the most successful people of his time, including icons like Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Andrew Carnegie. From this, he distilled 16 key principles that, when followed, lead to success. Let's dive deep into each lesson. Lesson 1. The Mastermind Principle. The first lesson introduces the concept of the Mastermind Group, which is the foundation for all other lessons. Hill defines a mastermind as a harmonious alliance of two or more individuals who work together to achieve a common goal. This collective mind is greater than the sum of its parts because it harnesses the energy, creativity, and intellect of multiple people. Hill believed that no one achieves great success alone, and the mastermind group is a critical part of achieving any significant goal. To implement this principle, gather a group of individuals who share a common goal or vision. These people should be diverse in skills and perspectives but unified in purpose. Meet regularly to share ideas, offer support, and keep each other accountable. By leveraging the collective intelligence and resources of your group, you can overcome obstacles and accelerate your path to success. Surround yourself with like-minded, motivated individuals who inspire and challenge you to grow. Together, you can achieve much more than you could alone. Lesson 2. A definite chief aim. Hill stresses that one of the most important steps toward success is having a definite chief aim. This is a clear, specific goal that you dedicate all your energy and focus toward achieving. Without a defined goal, you're like a ship without a rudder drifting aimlessly. A definite chief aim is a personal mission that gives your life purpose and direction. Hill argues that by concentrating on this single goal, you align your subconscious mind with your conscious efforts, making success inevitable. Take time to clearly define what you want most in life. This could be a career goal, a financial target, or a personal achievement. Write it down in specific terms and create a plan for achieving it. Review your aim daily to keep it at the forefront of your mind, and take steps toward it every single day, no matter how small. Success requires focus. Determine your main goal and channel all your energy into achieving it. Lesson 3. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is essential for achieving any kind of success. Hill defines self-confidence as belief in your abilities and your worthiness to achieve your goals. He explains that without confidence, you will not take the risks necessary to succeed. Hill provides practical steps to build self-confidence, including the use of autosuggestion, repeating positive affirmations, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and acting with purpose. Start by identifying areas where you lack confidence and actively work to improve in those areas. Use positive affirmations daily to reprogram your subconscious mind with empowering beliefs. For example, repeat, "I am confident in my ability to achieve my goals each day." Also, reflect on past successes and how they built your confidence over time. Actively seek out situations that challenge you to grow and step outside your comfort zone. Build self-confidence by affirming your strengths, acting with purpose, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Lesson 4. The Habit of Saving. Hill emphasizes the importance of financial discipline in this lesson. Success is closely tied to financial stability, and that starts with the habit of saving. Hill argues that the accumulation of wealth doesn't come from how much you earn, but how well you manage what you have. He also discusses the principle of paying yourself first, meaning you should save a portion of every dollar you earn before spending it. This habit builds financial security and independence, allowing you to focus on higher goals. Start by creating a budget that allows you to save a fixed percentage of your income. Commit to this savings plan no matter how small the amount. Once you establish the habit of saving, you can begin investing your savings to grow your wealth. The key is consistency and discipline. Over time, even small savings will compound into significant financial security. Financial success begins with the habit of saving. Create a plan to save and invest consistently, and make financial independence a priority. Lesson 5. Initiative and leadership. Successful people take initiative. They don't wait for opportunities to come to them. In this lesson, Hill explains that leadership begins with the ability to act on your own initiative. Leaders don't need permission to move forward. They make decisions, take risks, and inspire others to follow. Initiative is the driving force that moves you toward your goals. while leadership is the skill that allows you to guide others in pursuit of a common objective. Develop the habit of taking initiative by acting on your ideas immediately. Don't wait for perfect conditions or approval from others. Trust your instincts and move forward with confidence. Additionally, practice leadership by learning how to communicate your vision clearly and inspire others to take action alongside you. Cultivate initiative by taking action on your ideas, and develop leadership skills to guide others toward a shared vision. Lesson 6. Imagination. Imagination is the workshop of the mind, where all plans are created. Hill explains that imagination is crucial for problem-solving, innovation, and visualizing your success. There are two types of imagination: synthetic imagination, which combines existing ideas in new ways, and creative imagination, which creates entirely new ideas. Both are necessary for success. Every successful endeavor begins with an idea, and the ability to envision your desired future is a powerful motivator. Use your imagination to visualize the achievement of your goals in great detail. Picture how success feels, looks, and affects your life. Additionally, practice using both forms of imagination to solve problems creatively. Ask yourself, how can I achieve this goal using the resources I have? Or what unique solutions can I think of that others might overlook? Harness your imagination to visualize success and think creatively when solving problems. Lesson 7. Enthusiasm. Hill describes enthusiasm as a vital ingredient for success. Enthusiasm is not just a feeling. It's a state of mind that fuels action. When you're passionate about your work or goal, that energy is contagious, inspiring others around you and pushing you through obstacles. Hill stresses that enthusiasm is necessary for maintaining momentum, and it can be deliberately cultivated through positive thinking, focus, and engagement in work that aligns with your passions. Find ways to stay enthusiastic about your goals by focusing on the positive aspects of your journey. If your work doesn't naturally excite you, remind yourself of the bigger picture and how it contributes to your larger goals. Surround yourself with enthusiastic people and projects that align with your passions. Cultivate enthusiasm to stay motivated and inspire others. Passion drives progress. Lesson 8. Self-control. Self-control is the ability to regulate your emotions, thoughts, and actions in pursuit of your goals. Hill argues that without self-discipline, your emotions and impulses can sabotage your success. Mastering self-control means being able to delay gratification, stay focused in the face of distractions, and make decisions based on reason rather than emotion. Successful people have learned to control their impulses and consistently act in alignment with their long-term goals. To develop self-control, start by identifying habits or behaviors that are holding you back. Practice delaying gratification, whether it's financial discipline, sticking to a health plan, or resisting distractions in your work. Focus on small wins first, like completing daily tasks, and gradually build up your ability to stay disciplined over time. Self-control is essential for staying focused on long-term goals. Develop discipline by controlling your impulses and delaying gratification. Lesson 9. The habit of doing more than paid for. Hill advocates for always going the extra mile, doing more than what's required or expected of you. By consistently delivering more value than you are compensated for, you set yourself apart from others and create a positive reputation. This habit fosters goodwill, builds trust, and opens doors to new opportunities. Hill stresses that success often comes from exceeding expectations and consistently adding value to everything you do. In every task or job, make it a habit to over-deliver. If you're an employee, provide solutions and assistance beyond your immediate responsibilities. If you're an entrepreneur, offer your clients more than they expect. Over time, this approach will build strong relationships and a reputation for excellence. Always go the extra mile. Over-delivering creates a reputation of value and opens new opportunities. Lesson 10. A pleasing personality. Hill argues that success often depends on your ability to connect with others, and this is where a pleasing personality becomes critical. A pleasing personality encompasses qualities like kindness, respect, good communication, and a positive attitude. According to Hill, people with pleasing personalities tend to attract more opportunities and build stronger relationships because they make others feel valued and appreciated. Your ability to get along with others, to be likable, and to inspire cooperation is crucial for success in any field. Start by cultivating traits that make you more approachable and likable. This includes listening more than you speak, showing genuine interest in others, maintaining a positive attitude and being respectful in all interactions. Work on improving your communication skills, both verbal and nonverbal, and ensure you project confidence without arrogance. Success is often built on relationships. Cultivate a pleasing personality by being kind, respectful, and a good communicator. Lesson 11. Accurate thinking. Accurate thinking is the ability to separate facts from opinions and make decisions based on logical reasoning. Hill emphasizes that success depends on your ability to think clearly and avoid being swayed by emotions, biases, or misinformation. Accurate thinking allows you to assess situations objectively, weigh the evidence, and make informed decisions. It also helps you avoid being influenced by negativity or limiting beliefs. Practice critical thinking in your daily life. When faced with a decision or problem, gather all the relevant facts and consider them logically before acting. Be mindful of your own biases and challenge your assumptions. Avoid making decisions based on emotions or peer pressure, and instead focus on what the facts are telling you. Develop the habit of thinking logically and critically. Make decisions based on facts, not emotions or opinions. Lesson 12. Concentration. Concentration, according to Hill, is the ability to focus all your attention and energy on a single goal or task until it is completed. The inability to concentrate on one thing at a time often leads to mediocrity, because divided attention produces divided results. Hill stresses that the most successful people are those who can concentrate their efforts and resources on their primary goal, without being distracted by secondary concerns. Develop your concentration by eliminating distractions and focusing on one task or goal at a time. Set aside specific time blocks to work on your main objectives and avoid multitasking, which can reduce your efficiency and the quality of your work. Practice mindfulness and staying present in the moment to improve your focus. Concentration is key to success. Focus all your energy on one goal or task until it is fully achieved. Lesson 13. Cooperation. Cooperation is the act of working harmoniously with others toward a common goal. Hill explains that success in any venture often requires the ability to cooperate and collaborate with others. Cooperation is not just about teamwork, but also about understanding and leveraging the strengths of others to achieve shared success. Hill also connects this lesson back to the mastermind principle, highlighting the importance of aligning efforts toward a common purpose. Develop your cooperative skills by fostering strong working relationships with others. Be willing to help, collaborate, and share credit for successes. Practice empathy, understanding, and the art of compromise in all your interactions. Remember that cooperation leads to stronger, more productive teams and alliances. Success often requires collaboration. Cultivate a spirit of cooperation to work effectively with others toward common goals. Lesson 14. Profiting by failure. Failure, Hill argues, is not the opposite of success. It's an integral part of the journey toward success. Every failure contains a lesson, and those who can learn from their failures grow stronger and wiser. Hill suggests that many people give up too soon after experiencing failure, but those who persist and analyze their failures are the ones who ultimately succeed. He emphasizes that failure is only permanent if you allow it to be. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. When you encounter setbacks, reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Adjust your strategies, improve your skills, and keep moving forward. Adopt the mindset that failure is simply feedback that helps you grow. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes and use them to grow and improve. Lesson 15. Tolerance. Hill emphasizes the importance of tolerance, especially in terms of being open-minded and respectful of different perspectives, cultures, and beliefs. He warns that intolerance leads to misunderstanding and conflict, which can derail your progress and harm relationships. In a world of diverse ideas and people, practicing tolerance helps you build better relationships and opens your mind to new opportunities and ways of thinking. Practice tolerance in your interactions with others by listening more than you speak and respecting differences of opinion. Seek to understand the perspectives of those who may disagree with you. By being open-minded, you not only improve your relationships but also enhance your ability to innovate and grow through exposure to new ideas. Tolerance fosters understanding and cooperation. Be open-minded and respectful of different perspectives to build stronger relationships and create new opportunities. Lesson 16. The Golden Rule. The final lesson is based on the principle of the Golden Rule. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Hill emphasizes that ethical behavior and treating others with kindness, respect, and fairness is crucial for long-term success. He argues that true success is not just about financial or personal achievement. It's about living a life of integrity and leaving a positive impact on the world. When you treat others well, you build lasting relationships and create goodwill that benefits you in the long run. In every interaction, whether in business or personal relationships, practice treating others with respect and fairness. Make decisions that are not just beneficial to you but also considerate of others. By living according to the Golden Rule, you create a reputation of integrity and trustworthiness, which are invaluable for long-term success. Key takeaway: practice the Golden Rule by treating others with kindness, fairness, and respect. Ethical behavior leads to long-lasting success, and that's a deep dive into Napoleon Hill's The Law of Success in 16 Lessons. These timeless principles provide a comprehensive guide to personal and professional success. By applying these lessons, whether it's building self-confidence, practicing discipline, or mastering cooperation, you can create lasting success and live a life of purpose. Remember, success is not achieved overnight. It's the result of consistent effort and applying the right principles. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a bit of motivation today. What was your biggest takeaway from Hill's lessons? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep striving for greatness.